All right, I've gathered my materials, so now I'm going to take my dirt, take my bowl, put it here so you can see, and I'm going to dump in my dirt. I gathered my dirt this morning, so it's a little on the damp side, so I'm not going to need a whole lot of water. And I'm just going to put all the dirt I can in there. Some of it's drier than others. Oh, it already has a few pine needles in here. I'm going to try to get my mold as clean as possible, and I'll show you why a little later on. I'm going to go ahead and put my mold over in the metal pan. Go back to the bowl and I'm just going to mix, break up all the dirt, break it all up. The more clay you have in, the better. Oops, there's a rock. It's kind of big, so I'm going to take it out. Try to make sure there's no worms in here. If you went out this morning, you might have a worm or two. Take your worms out. You don't want any worms in your brick. Just break up all of that dirt. Now there's a small rock. You can leave it in if you want, but anything bigger than your thumb, you want to get rid of. So I'm just breaking up all the dirt. I'm gonna have to wash this bowl out when I get done, because I might use the same bowl to make chili tomorrow. This rock is a little big for me. I'm gonna take it out. So the whole point of breaking up the dirt is to make sure we don't have any big rocks, because big rocks are gonna be a problem for your brick. Little rocks, not so much, but big rocks might be a problem. So get the big rocks out of there if you can. It's a little big for me. I'm going to get that one out. I keep getting that one. Pebbles are not a big deal. Something this size you want out of your dirt. So I'm going to take that one out. This all came from the yard, so of course there's going to be rocks here and there. And I'm going to add in my straw. In my case, pine needles and some dried grass. And add that in and mix both of these up. Make sure it's evenly kind of mixed and put a little bit more in. Try to get that all mixed in there. The straw is going to help give the brick some shape. So you don't want too much straw in one spot. You want it all mixed in there. So your hands is the best thing to use. There's a little sap here. Just going to break that up. Okay. So you can see all mixed in there. Then I'm going to add my sand. I didn't add the whole thing, and just going to incorporate the sand. So step 2 is mixing the dirt, the straw, pine needles, grass, and or the sand. That's the end of step 2.